Hi guys, Robin here with WTI, not Super Spy with a Nerf gun. What I want to talk to you about is this Nerf gun. Let's face it, we are never too old to have a little bit of fun, so this is a great way to do it. It has a few different features that I absolutely love. So this was originally purchased for my husband to take to work, but it never made there. He does work with kids, so this is a fun thing for kids, but quite honestly never got past us adults at home. So like I said, a few different features on this. I do like this little feature here where you can go ahead and take it out and then pop it back in once you've reloaded. It does have a pump action, which is ready to go, and the range on this thing is really quite surprising. Let me show you.
So I'm sitting roughly 7 to 10 feet away from this wall, and it hit it with quite a bit of force, so I know it would have gone further if it could have.
After each shot, you get to reload and go again. So it's super fun. It's great for a variety of different games, and I just think even as an adult, it's super cool to have. So I like it. I think you will too, whether you are an adult or not, but that's just my point of view.